Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your financial planning with Mint, full guide step by step. Begin by downloading the Mint app from your device's app store. Once downloaded, open the app and create an account using your email address. Follow the prompts to set up your profile by entering basic personal information. Connect your financial accounts by selecting the option to link your bank and credit card accounts. Mint uses bank-level encryption to ensure your information is secure. After linking your accounts, Mint will automatically categorize your transactions for better visibility. Take a moment to review the categories and make adjustments if needed. Next, set your financial goals by navigating to the Goals section within the app. Choose from categories like saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Once you've selected your goals, Mint will provide customized budgets to help you achieve them. Move on to the Budget section and set monthly spending limits for each category based on your income and expenses. Regularly monitor your spending through Mint's dashboard, which provides real-time updates on your financial health. Utilize the Insights feature to gain a deeper understanding of your spending habits and identify areas for improvement. Consider setting up alerts to notify you when you're approaching your budget limits. Make use of the Trends section to visualize your financial progress over time. As you achieve your goals, update them in Mint to reflect your current financial situation and aspirations. Review your financial plan regularly and adjust your budgets and goals as necessary. Lastly, take advantage of Mint's educational resources to further enhance your financial literacy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.